All right, out in the backyard, finally got my hammock lab all set up, and I'm going to be doing some steak tests. I've got a fairly decent scale that I can, get pretty precise. I've got pulleys and everything hooked up, and I'm going to be testing some steaks. So if you've got some certain steaks that you've got questions about, if you want to do a head-to-head comparison, let me know. What I'm going to do today is this is a titanium V steak, 11 grams with the little string on it. So a real nice little steak. And in lots of my videos, I get comments on to whether I should put it with the V facing forward or the V facing like that. And so I'm just going to do a side-by-side test to see what is a better way of putting it. So let's give it a go. And knowing there's going to be lots of different opinions and lots of different variables that people are going to come up with. This is my backyard. I'm going to do it in similar, like nearby in the soil. I'm going to use this to make sure the steak's at a 45-degree angle down at the thing, down at where your guy line should be. I'll pick another spot nearby that's not affected by that. And there's all kinds of variables, but this is, out in the woods, there's all kinds of variables. So we'll just go with what I've got, and we'll see real simply if the V facing backwards, which is kind of how the steak is designed, is the better way, or if the V turned around. I've got some Zing It or Lash It or whatever they call it. And I'll hook this hook, and I'll hook this onto the scale, and I'll tear it out. I'll get it somewhat tight, and I'll tear it out, and then I have a feeling it's a big difference. So when it gets to that point, I'll show you right before it pulls out of the ground what the pull force is. 2, 3, 4, 530, 540, 640, 625, 650, now with the mouth facing forward, see, 7, 8, 8, 8, 8 already, 9, 840, 810, 9, 10, 10, 10, 30, 10, 40, 1070, 1140, 1180, 12, 6, 12, 7, 12, 8, 13, 4, 13, 7, 14, 13, 7, 14, 2, 14, 3, 15, 5, 15, 17, 1750, 1770, 1780, 1820, 1860. Okay. I won't really have to even review the test numbers on that. So the way that people complain is if I put it in this direction, and which makes sense because you have these two little notches there, but I think that makes more sense because you have more cupping surface area, and obviously this side blew the other side away. So, okay, if you have any other good challenges, I have every kind of steak basically that there is, and I'll keep doing this, and in different environments. I know that this is just one environment, but I was just trying to basically doing a head-to-head on which way was better, and kind of make the assumption that would be that way in any type of ground situation. So I hope you enjoy these. See you on the trail. Bye now.